Hello and welcome back to the series of chakra activation. Today we will practice yoga asanas that will help activate Vishuddha chakra, location of which is at the neck. So let's begin. Start with neck warm up. Sit in Padmasana and inhale, look up, open your jaw 5 times like this. Come back and repeat. Vishuddha chakra, also known as the throat chakra, is the fifth of the 7 main chakras in the human body's energy system. Throat chakra can help reduce anxiety, improve thyroid function, and a stronger immune system. Now, as you inhale, look sideways, exhale as you look front, and repeat. With an open throat chakra, it becomes easier to communicate clearly with confidence. Now inhale and rotate your neck. As you reach half circle, exhale and come back, repeat both sides. Our first asana is the seated cat-cow pose. The forward and backward movement of the neck and spine in cat-cow pose stretches and opens the throat area. The movement of the spine and chest during the pose encourages deeper breathing, help balance the Vishuddha chakra and promote energy flow. It relieves tension in the neck and upper back, which can contribute to blockages in the Vishuddha chakra. Moving on to our next asana is Purvottanasana, the reverse plank. The back bend in Purvottanasana combined with a gentle stretch in the neck as you gaze upwards or slightly back directly enhances the Vishuddha chakra's energy center in the throat area. Additionally, Purvottanasana strengthens the triceps, wrist, back, and legs while stretching the muscles of the shoulders, chest, and front ankles. Moving on to our next asana, Ustrasana, stimulates the thyroid gland. The neck extension in Ustrasana, camel pose, applies gentle pressure on the thyroid gland, stimulating hormonal activity, supports better metabolic function, and can help regulate body weight. Our next asana will be Asana and Bithalasana, the cat-cow pose. The spinal movement in cat-cow pose encourages deeper breathing. As you look up, the neck stretches, helps balance the Vishuddha chakra and promotes energy flow. Relieves tension in the neck and upper back, which can contribute to blockages in the Vishuddha chakra. Our next asana is Bhujangasana. The back bend in Bhujangasana stretches throat, neck, and chest muscles, which can help to release tension and open up Vishuddha chakra. Deep diaphragmatic breathing encourages energy flow and activate the throat chakra. The physical pressure of the pose on the throat and neck areas can stimulate the Vishuddha chakra and help to awaken this energy. Moving on to our next asana, that is Setubandhasana, the bridge pose. It stretches the chest and opens the throat, improves balance, strength, and flexibility. By opening the chest and throat, the pose allows energy to circulate more freely through the Vishuddha chakra, enhancing vocal clarity. Additionally, the Setubandhasana strengthens the back, glutes, and hamstrings and improves spinal flexibility, bringing mental clarity. Moving on to our next asana, Sarvangasana, also known as shoulder stand, stretches and stimulates the throat and neck, improving blood flow and energy flow to the area, helps release emotional and physical blockages in the throat and neck. The increased blood flow to the throat can benefit the thyroid and parathyroid glands, potentially improving hormonal balance and overall well-being. Our next asana, followed by Savangasana, is Halasana. Halasana involves lying on your back and bringing your legs over your head. Try to touch the floor if you can. This stretch opens up the throat region and helps release any tension or blockages in the neck and shoulders, which are connected to the Vishuddha chakra. Regular practice of this asana helps you achieve the desired results. Halasana stimulates the thyroid gland. This stimulation can help improve the body's metabolic rate and overall function. Sarvangasana, also called as Queen of Yogasanas, helps open the throat chakra, which is considered the purification center of the body. Moving on to our next asana, that is Matsyasana. The back bend in Matsyasana stretches the muscles in the neck and throat, releasing tension and allowing for easier breath flow. By opening the throat and chest, the pose helps to improve vocal clarity. Additionally, Matsyasana helps correct slouched or rounded shoulders by stretching and strengthening the muscles in your back, chest, and neck. Regular practice of this pose promotes spinal alignment, enhancing your posture and relieving tension caused by prolonged sitting. Moving on to our next asana is a pranayam, that is Singhasana, lion's breath. Simhasana stretches the throat, jaw, and facial muscles, which can help release tension and blockages in the throat area, which may be hindering free expression or communication. Simhasana helps strengthen vocal cords and can improve vocal clarity, relieves thyroid related problems as it can help stimulate and balance the throat area. The practice can help reduce bad breath. Know more about Simhasana, how to do, and the breath work linked in description below. Our last and the most important asana to be done after every yoga session is savasana. Releasing tension, calming the mind, and resetting the nervous system, effectively bringing you to a state of deep rest and grounding after the active movements of yoga sequences. It a gentle transition from the active practice to the rest of your day, leaving you feeling refreshed and centered. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to the channel and keep practicing yoga every day. We appreciate your support.